welcome back to Stitch on Saturday. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to bind off or cast off. So this is basically when you're done knitting and you want to take your project off of your needles and just finish off. So again, I'm going to be using Lion Brand Release Thick and Quick because it's a chunky yarn. It's easier to learn with this and it's easier for you to see. And then I'm also using the Clover Takumi needles, US 13. And these are, again, big needles. So they're easier to handle. It's easier to learn with bigger needles. So in the previous episode, I taught you how to increase and decrease the number of your stitches. And the one before that, I taught you how to cast off. So this little piece, let's call it a rectangle for the sake of this video. So basically what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bind off. So you put your right needle through your first loop, behind the needle. And then you're just going to yarn over. You're going to do the normal knitting that I showed you previously. So you just knit that. And then you're also going to knit the second stitch. And then what you do is you just take the first stitch. You're going to take it and you're just going to pull it over the first one. So that's your first stitch cast off already. So you're going to knit and then take the first stitch, pull it over the second stitch. So knit, take the first stitch, and then pull it over the second stitch. So you see these are bound off. These are all casted off now, these stitches. So again, you're going to knit it, and then you're going to take the second stitch, and you're going to pull it over, or you can take the first stitch and you're going to pull it over the second stitch. Again, I'm going to do the same thing. Take the first stitch, and then we're going to pull it over the second stitch. And that's how you do a bind off. And that's it. That's all there is to it. So this week's episode's a little short, but that's pretty much it. Next week, I'll probably go back to Tunisian crochet, and we'll learn some more stuff. All right, hope you guys have a great weekend. Thank you so much for watching.